What do you think of when you think of math? Never mind. Don't tell me. Math is not simply addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Math is so much more. Math is in the world all around us. In this series, we'll cover just a fraction. Do you like how I slipped that in there? Of all its diverse applications.
Today's Cartesian plane is made up of 4 quadrants. Here I am in quadrant 1, the upper right-hand corner of the coordinate plane. It's important to note that in quadrant 1, both the x-coordinates and the y-coordinates are both positive. Moving in a counterclockwise direction around the origin, I find myself in quadrant 2. And in quadrant 2, we should notice that our x values are all negative and our y values are positive. Right beneath quadrant 2, we have quadrant 3, where both the x and the y coordinates are negative. And last but not least, down here in the bottom right-hand corner of the Cartesian plane, we have quadrant 4. In quadrant 4, our x values are all positive and our y values are all negative. And that is our tour of the Cartesian plane as we know it today. But I would like to introduce you to a special guest, the guy who came up with the Cartesian plane way back a long time ago.
Bonjour, je m'appelle René Descartes. Oh, pardon-moi. Let me speak in English so that you can understand me, because I like to speak in French. Oh, hello, my name is René Descartes. One morning, I was sitting there in my bed, and there was a fly. Yes, this little annoying little fly that was flying around my room. And I said, I wonder if I could plot that little fly where he is around. So as I was saying, I really wanted to plot the fly's position. So I began to think of what is now referred to as the, I remember the name, the Cartesian coordinate plane. Yes, it's kind of off of my name if you don't see it. Very curious indeed. So I was lying there wondering how I could map this fly's movement when I thought to myself, perhaps I could describe the fly's position as the horizontal distance from the bottom left corner of my ceiling in my bedroom, coupled with its vertical distance from that same point. And voila! The Cartesian coordinate plane was born. Well, at least the beginning of it was coming in together, and I would come up with many more inventions with that later.
Wow, Monsieur Descartes. Thank you so much for sharing your story with us today. Who knew a tiny little fly could have such an impact on the world of mathematics?